Hi guys, so we're going to learn the 18th letter, which is K. It's like the English K or something C, as in kid or neck, cut, you know. So like as in English K or C, but it sounds like yeah, and it sounds like K, K. So again, it has this is K, four different forms: front connecting, middle connecting, back connecting, and a long form. So let's see example for the front connecting. Kitap, book, right? Kitap, küp, küp, right? A lot more, many. So for the second form, middle connecting, fizika, physics, the science discipline, the department. Kalkün, flood. There's a flood, like Kalkün, like there comes a flood, like Kalkün geldi, to Florida or something. The last form, no, the third form, the back connecting form. We'll see. Okay, like şekillik, like in this with that size, like you şpulon şekillik, like a size of triangle, something like that. Yeah, şekillik, something with this, like, lik is like a suffix that makes of this size. If I make a name from it, it's like, for example, kabinka. I think it's a cabinet, something like that. I guess it's a borrowed word. I'm not sure. Yeah, for the last form. Oh no, what did I do? I made a mistake. It's a middle connecting form. Yeah, I'm so sorry, guys. Um, Bilik, maybe bilik. I think it's something like an old Uyghur, means like bilik, something like knowing or knowledge. I just made it up. Maybe it's bilik. Who knows, right? Oh, ilik. Yeah, I can just make it ilik. Ilik is like a bone marrow. Yes. Okay. So the last one, a long form, which is quite a lot. I think a neck mirror. So you see here. And what else? Elgek. No. Yes. Elgek. Or belek. No, like bilek. Belek. Hand. Belek or belek? Belek. Yes. Arm. Yeah, that's it. So this is K. Thank you guys. I'm sorry I didn't have a lot of time this week, so I couldn't update. Have a good weekend.